Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove the background noise from your audios or video files on Inshot. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Inshot application on your device and then you can create a new video project or open up any of your old ones from your draft. Now within the timeline menu, you can tap on the plus icon to add your media that you would like to edit. Now if you have any audio file that contains some background noise and you would like to remove this, choose this audio file and then swipe the edit sliders to the right. You will now see the denoise option. Go ahead and tap on it to turn on or turn off denoise. Once the denoise is turned on, you can tap on the play button to hear your playback and you will notice that the background noise has been removed from your audio. If you have a video file with this background audio, you can also tap on this video file and you will see the denoise option. When you tap on this, it will be applied right away. And you may also apply this to all of your video clips. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to reduce background noise within your videos or audios on the Inshot app. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.